In this video, I'll show you how to download and install OpenIV for GTA 4 step by step. All you have to do is check my video description for download link, select download now option. After download done, click on the setup, select the language and select continue. Select I accept and select continue. And this is where the OpenIV going to install. Inside continue, select yes option. Installation of OpenIV has successful. Close and open the OpenIV on the desktop shortcut. Select the GTA 4 and select the browse option and navigate to the GTA 4 game folder. Select the GTA 4 game folder and select folder option and select continue. Do not forget to back up your original files before editing. Before doing this, back up your game folder guys. Just copy and paste in here in the same place. Name this backup. Now just close tab here. Select continue option. That's all you have to do it guys. Now the OpenIV has successfully installed in your PC. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.